Now let's complete this drawing. So here if we look at the length is 32 unit. So I will draw a line of 32. Press escape. I'm gonna move this line to the slightly right side like this. Okay. Now we have to circle. The radius of first circle is 2, and then the radius of second circle, the smaller circle, having a radius of 1. So let's simply draw a circle. So 2, enter to repeat the command, and then 1. Now I'm going to copy this circle to the other side. CO. After that I will press escape. Now you can see we have two circles at the center. So the radius of this circle is 4.2 and the radius of this circle that you are looking here is 8. So let's draw again a circle of 8. And the radius of this circle is 4.2. Now we have drawn that. Let me just simply delete this line from here. Now we have to draw a tangent here. You can see we have to draw a tangent here. And for that I'm going to type L. And after that you have to press and hold the shift until you see this smiley. Just simply right click here and then click on tangent. Simply click on this circle here and again release your shift key, again press the shift key and then right click here and then just simply again go to tangent and then click on this circle. You can just simply press escape. Now you can just simply again use the same method to draw this tangent from this circle to this circle, this to this and this to this. But what you can do is you can also mirror this one as well. So for that I will select this. I will type MI and then I will click on this point. I will mirror it like this. No, I don't want to erase the source object. Again I will select this one and then this one. Again I'm gonna mirror this one to this center like this. No. Now I will trim the extra part. So for that I will simply type TR and then enter. And then I'm gonna trim this side, this side, this side, and then this side. After that I'll press escape. Now we have to create this slot. And if you look at the slot having this center and the radius of this inner circle is 10 and the outer one having a radius of 11. So let's draw that. Now you can see the distance between this and this is 6. So the distance from this center should be 3. So let's draw a line first. Press escape. And let's take offset of 3 unit. And after that I will press escape. Now you can see we have slot here. So all you need is just to simply trim the extra part carefully. Now after that I'll press escape and select these two and then delete it from here. Now all I need is just to simply mirror this slot to the right side. So just simply select the slot like this and type mi, and then just simply click on the center, and then just make sure that this one is perfectly 90 degree. No, there you have it, your drawing. Okay, so let's delete this one as well. Now our drawing is completed.